Everyone, this is the Samsung smartphone Note 9, yes. And the owner asked me to bypass the password and Google account, but the LCD was broken. Now we are going to bypass the password and Google account. Yes, this is the Samsung. We need to turn off. Yes, this is the power key. Just turn off. Wow, we don't know what actually on the screen. Yeah, because we cannot see what actually writing on the LCD screen. So that we need to replace the LCD first. This is the old LCD, but it can use to format the phone and bypass Google account. Now we are going to disassembly and replace with the other LCD screen. This is the beetroot. Yeah, now we go to recovery mode again, pressing the volume up and power key and the strike key. Yes. Yeah, this is the recovery mode. Wow, it's very difficult, the LCD. Now we restart it. We need to replace the LCD to working format. Yeah, when the skip not highlight, it will lock on Google account. Even show like this, 100% lock on Google account and use my Google account instead. Wow. Yeah, now we try to release Google account. Now we go back, and then we wait this mode. This is N960A, and then we select, and this is the unlock button. Then we go to release IOP. Yeah, this is the COM20. Now we go to the phone. Then now we go to test mode, emergency, star, sphere, 0, star, sphere. And then we press on, yeah, we press on OK button. Wow. Then now we go to ADB. Click on always allow from this computer, and then allow. Yeah, now we go to the software. Yeah, this is the software. For complete reset LOP, go to setting. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yeah, now ready. We wait until the phone full start up, and then we activate it. Yeah, this is the phone working. When working, the first working like this, unstable. Yeah, now I will allow. Then we go to setting, and then we go to general manager, and then we go to reset, factory reset, reset all. Yeah, delete all. Okay, that's all right. That's ready. Yeah, the phone just start up, and we wait until full start up.